Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to track button clicks through Google Tag Manager. One of the best things about this is you can see what buttons people click on your website. You can add them to remarketing lists if you're working with Google Analytics. And you can also see how people navigate and interact with the site. So the first thing we need to do is create a trigger. That trigger is going to be a generic trigger. So you click on all elements, save. You go to your site. So as you can see, the button that I want to track is click on any of these three. So the first thing you want to know is go on to click, and you want to know the click classes. So I'm going to use this section to refine my click trigger. Click on some clicks, classes equals, and save. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to set up a tag. And while there are a lot of naming conventions, I find the best way to name them is through the use of their internal variables. So I'll show you what I mean by that. In the all categories section, there'll be every button click on your website. And differentiate that, or every button that they've tracked. Differentiate that, I'm then going to use the built-in variable of the click text, so I can know exactly what text they actually clicked on. Now, in our original example, this is the click text that they clicked on. Then the second thing I want to know is what page they were on, and they actually made the click. And the last thing you need to do, after you obviously add your Linux variable, is to connect it up to your trigger, which is one that we've made. Now if we give this a test, this should fire. Perfect. So now we'll send a event to Google Analytics, which is a category of button clicks, an action of Wireless Discovery Tour, and the label of the page. Just to check that set it up correctly, I'll go up to the top, go there, did not fire the trigger, here, did not fire the trigger, here, did not fire the trigger. So as you can see, there's a wide range of applications to this button trigger. You can edit it to be as broad or as specific as you want. However, I believe using the built-in variables under your tag gives you a more wide range of use for that particular one trigger. If you have any instructions or tutorial videos you'd like me to put out, comment on the video and I'll see what I can do. Cheers. Bye.